Hey, it's Joseph Ayres. I have a snap circuit sound. There's instructions. Yeah, pretty cool instructions. Let me see. I'm trying to be turning pages. Ha! Electronic Keyboard Project 1. Love this toy. Project 1. Let's do this. That's a really car beeper. Love this toy. I like this toy better. Sometimes, I like this toy. I like this toy. He's pretty awesome. There's off and on switch. It looks cool. There's another one. There's the echo thingy and the voice changer thingy. It's pretty cool. And I like this turning wheel. Yeah, I like this toy better with this. And she loves the snap circuit sound. I don't know, he's really awesome. U26 keyboard. That's right. So, I think I'll give up a chance. So, thank you for watching, and I'll hope you see you next time. Well, bye bye.